Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is Different Kinds of Materials. So students, open page number 57 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. This chapter has some learning objectives to know about the classification of substances into acidic, basic and neutral substances, to know about indicator, to know about testing solution of common substances. Now here I am going to read the chapter. Every day you use various kinds of substances such as water, food, medicine, fuel and clothes. All these are chemical substances that is made up of atoms of one or more elements. So, the way in which human body is made up of cells, the same way all the things that appear around us which are called chemical substances in the language of science. And they are made of atoms of one or more elements. A number of substances you consume, such as consume means eaten by you. Okay, underline this line, this word. Such as lemon, curd, tamarind, fruit juice, common salt, sugar and vinegar have different tastes. You must have noticed that they may taste sour, bitter, sweet or salty. So, you have tasted different type of substances. Some substances are sour in taste, such as lemon, curd, tamarind. Some substances are sweet in taste, such as sugar, sweet. Some substances are in salty taste, such as common salt, and some substances are bitter in taste, such as baking soda. Try to taste it sometime. Now next paragraph. You must be wondering why different substances have different tastes. This is because the chemical nature of these substances is not the same. It differs from substance to substance. So, you must have wondered why the taste of many things is different, because the chemical nature of all these things is different, and one substance is different to another substance due to chemical nature. On the basis of chemical nature, chemical substances can be broadly classified. Underline this word, this means in large scale, classified as acidic, basic and neutral substances. Now we are going to know about acidic, basic and neutral substances. Here you can see in the green box there are some definitions you can learn. So first, atom, the smallest particle of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction is an atom. Element is the basic constituent of all matter. Chemical compound, a substance whose each molecule contains two or more atoms of different elements in a fixed ratio, is a chemical compound. Now we are going to know about acidic substances or acids. Recall the taste of vinegar, curd and lemon juice, pure lemon juice. These are sour in taste. The sour taste of these substances is because of the presence of acid in them. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acere, which means sour. So we have seen in this paragraph that you may remember that taste of vinegar, yogurt, or you can say curd, and lemon is sour. This is because acid is found in these substances. The word acid is derived from a Latin word acere, which means sour. Next paragraph. Acetic acid is present in vinegar, lactic acid is present in curd, and citric acid is present in lemon juice. Such acid containing substances are acidic in nature. So, the nature of those substances in which such acids are found is acidic. In table 5.1, a few commonly found acids that and the substances in which they are found are given. So let's see table 5.1. Turn the page. Here you can see table 5.1. Name of acid, substances in which it is found. So first acetic acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Ascorbic acid means vitamin C. So vitamin C is present in amla, citrus fruits such as lemon, oranges. Now citric acid. Citric acid is also present in citrus fruits such as lemon and orange. Formic acid. Formic acid is present ants sting or bees sting. Great. Next, lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in sour milk or curd. Hydrochloric acid is present in gastric juice present in the stomach. Malic acid. Malic acid is present in apple. Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. Tannic acid is present in tea. Tartaric acid is present in imli, in tamarind, grapes, raw mango. Now, basic substances or bases. So, we are going to learn about basic substances. Have you ever tasted baking soda? If not, taste it. You will find that it does not taste sour and thus has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. So, have you ever tasted eating soda called baking soda? If you haven't done it, do it. You will not get sour taste of it because it is not an acid. It has bitter taste. Take a pinch of baking soda and rub it between your fingers. How does it feel? It feels soapy to touch. So, you have to take a pinch of baking soda and you have to rub it between your fingers. Now observe what happens. It feels soapy to touch. Now here you can see definition of basic or bases. The chemical substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. The chemical nature of such substances is basic. In table 5.2, a few commonly found bases and the substance in which they are found are given. Let's see table 5.2. First, sodium hydroxide is present in soap. Here you can see soap. Second, ammonium hydroxide is present in window cleaning solution. This is solution. Choline, I think so. Third, calcium hydroxide is present in lime water. Potassium hydroxide is present in soap. Magnesium hydroxide is present in milk of magnesia. Do you know about the milk of magnesia? It is helpful in digestion. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see next page. Thank you class.